Alright, what we have here is a tire that won't hold air. We just put this tire on, brand new tire, and it's leaking air, won't hold air. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up with air. He's going to fill it up to the recommended pressure, what's written on the sidewall of the tire. And we already checked it, so we already know where it's leaking, but we're going to give you an example how to do it. We have a soapy water solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour it around the edge. And as you can see where the bubbles are forming, right here. Zoom you in. See the bubbles coming out. So it's leaking at the bead. So since we found a leak, we're going to remove the valve stem, core, dismount this one side. We checked the other side, it's not leaking. You should check both sides. You check the valve stem itself, which we did with the soapy water solution. This is the only side that's leaking. So we're going to use this extra seal bead sealer. I'm going to post the link down in the description so you can purchase it. Alright, so let us begin. First we're going to flip the tire upside down, and we're going to remove the core, the valve stem core. We're just going to start, let a little bit of air out so we don't shoot out. As you remove it slowly. Remove the valve stem core. Put it to the side. Then we're going to dismount this side or the other side of the tire, which is leaking. And we're going to do that with our mini tire changer. We would use the tire changer it's on, but most houses don't have a tire machine, so let us proceed. So he's going to mount the tire on the tire machine, or mini tire changer. Alright, he's going to dismount the tire. Alright, now we're going to clean the side of the rim because it's all wet. Alright, so he's going to put gloves on for this part of the job. He's probably going to use 2 sets of 3 because once he uses the brake clean, it's going to deteriorate the glove. So first he's going to take a dry blue paper towel and dry off around the rim and the tire to get all the soapy water solution off. Get it all nice dry, try to get it as clean as possible once he gets that all through there. Then he's going to get another blue paper towel and spray it spray it with brake clean and clean the inside of the rim and the bead. And yes, our workbench is a little messy. It's a lot messy. So now he's cleaning the inside of the bead and the rim. Get it all nice and dry. He's been pretty generous on the rim with the brake clean, because you want your mating surfaces to be nice and clean. Alright, now he's going to open the bead sealer, the extra seal bead sealer. He's going to open it on the bench so he doesn't spill any on the concrete. And he's going to push down on the tire with the one hand. There you go. And then he's going to take the sealer and he's going to put it on the rim and a little bit on the bead, right where it seats. He's going to put some right in here. Not there. No, not there. Under here. Under here. He's learning this for his first time too. I want you guys to see how easy it is. Put a little bit more on. You don't want to put too much on, it'll make a mess. Put a little more on your brush. Pull the tire, there you go. Try not to get it all on the inside of your rim. Just get it right where the bead seats. Nice coat. Put some more on. Now put some around the bead itself. Put more on. It's a rubberized compound, like a glue almost. I don't know the exact science. I just know it's like a rubber glue, for an ignorant term. Alright, now he's got that on. Looks pretty coated. Does it look evenly around? Alright, now he's going to seat the tire. I have previous videos where I show you how to seat the tire and dismount and mount the tire. So we'll save you the time on that, so it's not so the video is not so long. I'm going to put air in it. He's putting the valve stem core back in. He's going to pull down on the one side to try to help seat it. I'll do that. Keep your fingers free from inside, so when he does put air in it, it doesn't pinch your fingers from the inside of the rim and the bead. So I'm going to help him with this. There it goes. And there it goes. He's going to fill it up to the recommended pressure. And we're going to check it with air, or with the water. Alright. So now we have the tire sealed. We're going to pour water, our soapy water solution, to check it. Make sure there's no leaks. What you don't want to see is consistent bubbles. You're going to see some bubbles when you pour it on, but you don't want to see consistent bubbles. Our leak was originally around a dent. You can use plain water, like the soapy water solution. It puts the bubbles out faster. It also can be confusing for the untrained eye. As you can see, there's no leaks, so this is good to go. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and please don't forget to hit the notification tab. I appreciate it. Thanks again.